little fox.
Meet the animals. Peacock. Wow! Who are you?
I am a peacock. We are large birds.
Where do you live?
We live in India, Indonesia, and Africa. We live in forests and sleep in trees.
What do you eat?
We look for food on the ground. We like berries, seeds, and flowers.
Your tail is colorful.
Males have long feathers with eye spots. We spread our feathers to show them off. That helps us find mates.
Do female peacocks have colorful feathers too?
Females are called peahens, not peacocks. Some have brown feathers, but others have colorful feathers like males.
Do you have any enemies?
Big cats and stray dogs hunt us. Some animals eat our eggs. People love our feathers and hunt us too.
Do peacocks sing?
No, we make loud sounds to find mates. When we spot danger, we make noise too. That warns everyone in the forest. I hear others. I'm going to show off my feathers.
Goodbye, Peacock. Meet the animals. Wild turkey. Hello. Who are you?
I'm a wild turkey. Turkeys are large birds.
Where do you live?
We live all over the world. We like forests, but we also live in swamps and grasslands.
What do you eat?
Wild turkeys like nuts, seeds, and fruits. We also eat bugs and tiny animals. We scratch the ground to find food.
You're a male turkey, right?
Right. Males are bigger than females. Our heads are very colorful. And our tails look like fans.
Can you make sounds?
Yes, male turkeys make a loud gobble sound. We are very loud sometimes.
Do you ever fly?
Wild turkeys like to walk and run. But we can fly too. At night, we fly up into trees.
I see your flock.
We like to stay in groups. That keeps us safe from enemies. Coyotes, foxes, and people hunt us. I need some sleep. Gobble, gobble!
Good night, wild turkey. Meet the animals. Ostrich. there. Who are you?
I'm an ostrich. I'm the biggest bird in the world.
Where do you live?
We live in Africa. We like the savanna and the desert.
Do you have wings?
Yes, we have wings. But we can't fly. We can run very fast, though.
Your legs look strong.
Ostrich's legs are very strong. We can kick enemies with them. Our feet have sharp claws.
What do you eat?
We eat plants. We get water from them too. Sometimes we eat bugs or lizards.
Do you live in a herd?
Yes. One male ostrich is in charge. Females put all their eggs together.
Do ostriches stick their heads in the ground?
No! We just put our heads near the ground. That helps us hide from enemies. Oh! I see a lion! See you later!
Bye, ostrich! Meet the animals. Turkey vulture. Hello. Who are you?
I'm a turkey vulture. We are raptors. Raptors are birds that hunt for food.
Where do you live?
We live in North America. We like open places like fields.
What do you eat?
Turkey vultures eat dead animals. We can smell very well. We smell to find food.
Yikes! You eat dead animals?
Yes, we are a big help to nature. We clean up fields and roads. And we never attack living animals.
Do you live alone?
Nope. Turkey vultures often eat together. We fly and sleep together, too.
Your beak looks sharp.
Our beaks are very sharp. They help us eat. We can even eat big animals.
Do you build nests?
We don't build real nests. We look for holes in rocks or logs. We like old buildings and caves, too. I'm hungry again. Bye!
See you later, Turkey Vulture!